Turning off iPhone's location is not as easy as it is for an Android phone. But don't worry, in this video, I will show you how to do it. So let's get started. First, open the settings and then scroll down to an option called Privacy. Select Privacy and here you can see Location Services is on. Simply touch it. Here you could turn off the location services for individual apps and services, or you could turn off the location services for all the apps by touching here. Then iPhone would give you a message saying that it would turn off all the services. However, it would turn on temporarily if you use Find My iPhone. In order to confirm, touch turn off, and now you can press back and simply close this.